Follow white rabbit. I'm taking potions, call me Alice.
Hey y'all, thank you for tuning back to Miss Coco Air. So I wanted to show y'all the new waist bag I bought. Not sure if it's unisex, but I bought it from Coach, and I feel like I'm gonna rock it anyway because I love waist bags. So it finally came today. I did take a peek of it, and this is the bag it came in. Because most of the videos that I saw, it looked like it was a male bag, but I'm like, I'm gonna unisex this out. So this is the bag. I didn't even take the plastic and everything off, and it came in this. Did not come with a bag cover, dust bag, so I'll have to order one. But it did come with this packing, say Coach. So I'm gonna just take everything off real quick. Guess what? I might be wearing this today. I gotta go out real quick. So I'm gonna just, it look like it's gonna rain, but whatever. I gotta run to the store real quick. So let me hurry up and take this off real quick. Because again, I just took a peek. So I want to show y'all. It didn't take long for this. I did order some shoes too. Yeah, I know. I wasn't supposed to be ordering. But, and this bag was on sale. What do we see? That's not the receipt. This bag was on sale for $89. Not bad. Not bad. And I think it costs, I don't know, I'll put the link in there. I think it costs not too much. Everything is on sale pretty much. I bought some sandals that was marked for $1.99, but then they had it on sale for $59. And because I wasn't able to use my promotion code, the representative, he was very nice, and he sent me a $25 gift card. He said normally it's the shipping like $10, but he said normally when they have to, you know, reimburse you, the card is more, so it was $25. So this is the bag, and I want to thank Fee for letting me know. I mean, we was looking at this bag, but once I saw a baby girl with it, I could not help it. That's why I call her daughter. So I had to get it. And I like this part. That way the leather is not rubbing, you know, on your clothes, and just, you know, it's just, I think that fiber is nice to have right there. And then there's a pocket in the inside. So while I'm doing it, I might as well show y'all what I can fit in it. Why not? Do that real quick. So I will decide for the front part, I will put my MCM wallet and my Holy Chick Rebecca Minkoff with all my medical cards and my cash in it. So I think it's just best for me to have it in the front, so I don't have to do a lot of digging in this part and the back part. Even though I don't really want to carry my checks, but I'll put them in here because again, I don't use checks. I will put my glasses, and being though I have my glasses on, I may switch on and put my shades in here because the box right here is too bulky, so that will not work. I will not be using this lotion, but I will be using probably this lotion, something a little small like a tube. I might put a lip gloss in here. Yeah, I can put like a lip gloss, and this is my Revolution Sheer lip gloss. I'll throw that in there. So for the back, I don't know, I don't want to put this because it's too thick. I wonder will my iPad fit in here. And that's another thing I forgot to mention in my video. I can fit my iPad in that purse. So let's see if the iPad fit in here. Let's give it a try. So even though it have an inside pocket right here, an inner pocket, I can pretty much put my checks in there. So So let me see if my iPad fits. Oh, nah, it's not gonna fit. So it's not good with an iPad. So that's not gonna work at all. So put that back. Now I can put these two back in here. And I won't be able to put my female items in there. I probably have to take a couple of those out and put it on the back part. But for the most part, this is what will fit. And it's not heavy. It's nice and stable. I don't like my bag to pretty much lose its shape of stuff. So I don't know what I can put back here. Probably whatever I pick up, something small that I can put in here. But for the most part, I won't put anything. Looks like it's raining. Yeah. I don't know. I might have to change my plans now. But yeah, this is it. I will put the link in the description so you all will know. I think this sale is still going on. I don't know. It'll probably go all the way. Oh, you know what? It's all the way up to Father's Day. So yeah. So they have a sale. I forgot they had this tag on there. I don't know. I might keep this one. I might take it off. Not sure. But yeah, for me, it could be unisex. But when I looked it up, it looked like it was like a male bag, and that's just like my MCM bag. That can be like a male bag, the black one. So I mean, it's your prerogative. You can do what you want. So for me, I did what I want. So this is the bag, and if you're interested, I will put the link in my description. And I want to thank you all again for tuning into my channel. Thank you for watching, Coco. Bye.